Hi, today we're here to talk about magic rings. I've had a surprisingly large amount of people say that they don't like magic rings, but magic ring is one of my most used stitches, and I would like to show y'all how I do mine. So to do this, we're going to take the yarn and wrap it around 2 fingers going clockwise away from us, and just wrap it one time. Now go between those 2 and grab that tail and pull it through. Now you have the beginning of a slip knot actually, and you're going to slide it off your fingers and leave that loop. And then you'll just chain 1. And then you can begin your pattern. I will demonstrate a few things. Here I do a star. And on some things you're going to want that magic ring to close very tightly so it doesn't leave a center hole. Say for example the star I'm making. On other things like the washcloth you see below me, you're going to want to leave that, not pull that so tight because it's going to pucker there in the middle. So I left this one looser and I wove the ends to keep it from coming undone. But a smaller circle, like I said, like eyes or the star, you're going to want to make sure that that's completely closed. So I'm just doing a quick star here for y'all to see and demonstrate how I close my magic ring, which I suspect is where most people's magic rings tend to go wrong. So I'm on my last star point. I'll slip stitch and fasten off. So now when I go to close my magic ring, first thing I like to do is untwist that tail. And this helps you to pull out any extra slack. So I will untwist my tail and begin to close my magic ring by pulling it. And once I have it around, if you were to be joining, I would join before I close it completely tight. And then just pull it until you feel that pop. Did you notice that pop? That means all the slack is out of my magic ring. And I know that that is not going to come out. It would take a lot of work to get that magic ring out at this point. And that's how you want all your magic rings. That you want this in a hole completely closed. Again, if you're doing something that you want a soft surface or you have a lot of stitches, you will not want to pull that as tightly as it will pucker. And there you have how I do my magic ring. One of my favorite crochet stitches to use. You will see it a lot in my patterns, so practice, practice, practice. Thank you for checking out my magic ring tutorial, and find more in the description below. Thank you. Like and subscribe if you liked this video.